Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one or the other, you want to pop out a tray with it, which is located on the top left side of the phone. As you can see where the pin is holding right now. Push it in and the tray pops out ever so slightly enough for you to grab it and take it out. On the tray you have space for a single SIM card and single SD card. So I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go. From there, insert it back into your device and the card should start working right away. So we have a notification about the SD card, so it is detecting SD card, and we should be also having some kind of reception. Oh, there we go, it just popped in. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.